Hello everybody, today I want to talk with you about how you can download WhatsApp Plus on iPhone. That is possible or not? Okay, pay attention. I try to explain me good, okay? I hope that you can understand me, but you cannot download WhatsApp Plus on your iPhone. If you open your app store and write here WhatsApp Plus, you don't find that app. Okay, now remember, or maybe you something in any moment, you connect your mobile in your PC, you see or you know that you can put your photos that your mobile on your PC, but you don't, okay, you cannot transfer your photos from your PC to mobile, okay? Because Apple is a yellows, okay? Is a closed system, okay? And you cannot download or open your files in your mobile, okay? Is up if Apple know that you try to block your system, okay, his system, or try to install another app, from that not is from app store, Apple give you a ban, okay, in your account. If you get a ban in your account, you get a ban in your mobile, and your mobile is turned off and never turn on again, okay? Is weird, okay? But Apple is a yellow, okay? Is in buy in shy, I don't know how to say, but Apple don't want apps, uh, outside from app store, okay? Be careful with that videos in YouTube, because another thing is where that one app or page asks you for your personal information, or that app need your access to your password or your mails, okay? That is weird. Be careful with that information, okay? Now I just want to say that I hope that you can all understand me. I know that my English is really awful and weird, maybe funny, but what do you think about my level English? Okay, is weird or funny or awful, or maybe two, maybe all? Sorry. Have a good day. See you later.